Welcome to Timbergrove in beautiful Lutz, Florida, a community where charm meets convenience and modern living feels like home. Here, you'll find an intimate, low-maintenance townhome community with no CDD, perfectly designed for the lifestyle you've been dreaming of.
Located just minutes from major roadways like I-75, I-4, and 589, Timbergrove keeps you connected to the best of Tampa and beyond. Whether it's a day of shopping at Wiregrass Mall or Tampa Premium Outlets, dining at local hotspots, or playing with your furry friends at our very own dog park, Timbergrove has it all.
Living in Lutz means endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Explore serene trails and stunning lakes at Lake Park and Lettuce Lake Conservation Park. Perfect for hiking, biking, or kayaking. Prefer something more laid back? Browse the local farmers markets, tee off at nearby golf courses, or immerse yourself in the vibrant community spirit at events like the annual Lutz Independence Day Parade. From cozy cafes to charming local shops, there's something for everyone here. Lutz isn't just where you live, it's where life happens.
Why choose Ryan Homes? Because we make home buying as easy as it is exciting. During construction, we'll keep you updated with weekly progress photos and videos, ensuring you're part of every step in the process. Enjoy the perks of homeownership without the hassle of exterior maintenance. Our townhomes are designed for your convenience and peace of mind.
Our new Mayport floor plan at Timbergrove is built with you in mind, with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 1,600 square feet, and a garage for extra storage. It's the perfect space for entertaining and everyday living.
Choose a home site with serene nature or water views and make it your own with our wide selection of designer finishes. And with our transparent pricing and streamlined purchase process, building your dream home has never been easier.
Imagine your life at Timbergrove, a place where modern living meets timeless charm. This isn't just a new home, it's the lifestyle you've been waiting for. Timbergrove is where you belong.